All right, so you had a question on worksheet 1-3, number 3. So here is the data that they give you where X is the number of extras and Y is the total cost. And they talk about two different car washes. Charge a basic fee plus a fee based on the number of extras chosen. And then they give you this table. And the things that they would like to know is which car wash charges more for the basic fee. Well, they already give you the equation for the soapy car wash, and they tell you that that one is y equals x plus 9. So the basic fee is the $9. So we already know what it is for the soapy, but we have to figure out what it is for the Bubbles car wash. And all they gave us for the Bubbles car wash, this one here is Bubbles, all they gave us is this table. So if you remember, the slope would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can find out what the slope is just simply by using any two of these points. It doesn't really matter which two you use. So if we call this one y2 and y1, and this would be x2 and x1, let's go ahead and use these points. So the slope would be 12 minus 9 all over 4 minus 2. So this would be 3 over 2. So we know the slope. Now let me get this out of the way. The slope is 3 over 2 x plus b. Well, we don't know what the y-intercept is, and that's actually what we're trying to find out in order to compare it to that 9. Well, we can use any one of these x and y's and plug it in here for these x and y's, and then we could solve for b. So I'm just going to choose the smallest one, the 9 and the 2. So I'm going to have 9 equals 3 over 2 times 2 plus b. Here, move this up a little. All right. Well, my 2's will cancel out here, so I'll have 9 equals 3 plus b. And if I subtract 3 from both sides, b will equal 6. So now I know that the equation for the Bubbles would be y equals 3 over 2 x plus 6. Well, Soapy charges 9 for the basic fee, and Bubbles charges 6 for the basic fee. And it says which car wash charges more, so Soapy charges more. The next question, let me just write the other equation down here before I forget it. Bubbles. Move over a little bit. Bubbles equation is y equals 3 over 2 x plus 6. All right. The next question it asks, it says, how many extras must be chosen for the total cost to be the same at both car washes? Well, for the total cost to be the same, total cost is y. So if I want the total cost to be the same, I can set these two equations equal to each other and then solve for x. So x plus 9 equals 3 over 2x plus 6. You have some choices here. You can just subtract the x's over, or you can multiply through by 2 to get rid of the fraction. I don't like to deal with fractions, so let's do with that. So I'll have 2x plus 18 equals 3x plus 12. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'll have 18 equals x plus 12. Subtract the 12, and I'll have 6 equals x. So now I know that there has to be 6 extras in order for them both to be the same. So I hope this was helpful. Please, if you have any other questions, let me know.